Hello everyone and welcome to Rosie at Home. I am participating in a collaboration today and it is hosted by, I hope I pronounce her name correctly, Mary Keys Happy Home Decor, and she has co-host, and the co-host names are Glamour Ellen, Ellen of Glamour Ellen, Candy of DIY Design by CCW, Antonette, and her channel name is Ant's Place, Jeff, and his channel name is My Take on Home and Garden, Julie, the Thrifty Designer. And the name of this collaboration is called Tuscan Tablescape Collaboration, and we are asked to create a Tuscan inspired tablescape. Must include grapes, and we must mention the host and co-hostesses channels and the playlist, and of course we must be subscribers to their channel. And starting with the plate setting, all the items are thrifted except for the charger, napkins, and napkin rings. And the glass is Dollar Tree. Napkins with the spoons are from Dollar Tree as well. And now in the center is my beautiful basket of grapes and flowers. And all of those beautiful faux grapes are from the thrift store. I added a bottle of wine, of course, inside my basket. And I added a chicken. Reminds me of Tuscan. And he's from Ross. And inside the top part of my beautiful arrangement, I have flowers I purchased from Joann's and Dollar Tree, and another bottle of wine, and it turned out beautifully. All the beautiful faux grapes. The dining room is decorated in the style of Tuscan, the style for my dining room. And now I am going to thank the lovely host and co-hostesses for hosting this very fun collaboration. I will list their channels below in my description box, along with the playlist of all the other participants. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I hope you guys have a very blessed day and stay safe.